So I've just crossed over the road. This is part two of this evening's walking tour video. Basically, it's just to show you what this place looks like of an evening. Part one was walking up to the top of the strip here, up from the View restaurant to the Leaf Hotel, Leaf of the Sands Hotel. And I've just crossed over. We're at the Sunshine Resort here. It's just around the corner. And I'm going to walk you down on this side. So just to give you an idea what to expect. Like I said before on the start of the other video, I have covered this before when I was here in low season in May/June. This is a lot more high season time now. So what you'll find is it's a lot more stuff is open from my previous video. So if you have watched it and want a comparison between the two, just have a watch of the first one and you'll see the restaurants and bars that were open then, the nightlife, what you can expect from the volume of people, etc. So we're filming in the 26th of November, so you're moving into more high season now. It really does peak at Christmas, and January is mentally busy, so it's busier, but not as busy as it can be. Been here for a couple of days. The second day here, I was here last night. I've got all these hotels that are just slightly set back. I've done loads of hotel reviews, but a few of these are just a little bit too small to do reviews. And it's just the larger family hotels and a few of the budget ones I've focused on. If you do have any questions, feel free to send me a message, like I've just said on my previous video. I've had quite a few people send private messages instead of actually leaving messages on the Facebook itself, which is great. As I said before, some of the messages do end up in my spam bin from email, so I don't always pick them all up. So I'm not ignoring you, I just don't always get them. I've had quite a few text messages, I've had quite a few Facebook messages. I've got a Facebook page connected to this channel. The links are in most of the videos. So if you want to get in touch, ask a question, feel free, or just leave a question in the comments. If I know the answer, I'll tell you. If I don't, I might be able to pass you on to someone who does. So Tiff and Florin, which is the restaurant we just started off at, that's quite a busy place at the top end here. This side of the road tends to be a little quieter than the side I was walking up on before. Still plenty of restaurants, etc. But the overall feel of the place is just a little bit quieter. At some point we'll pass Monkey Bar, which is the main spot for nightlife. There are a few places lit up and open here, which I've never been to, so I might have to have a walk up there tomorrow and see what's there. Food-wise, you've got loads of options here. You've got European stuff, you've got obviously Thai stuff, you've got fresh fish. If you want pizza, Italian, Khao Lak caters for it. Really, really nice family kind of place to be. I've been coming back for the last, I think, about 13 years once I started coming. I come frequently to dive here because you're just around the corner from the Simland Islands, and if you don't want to dive out of Phuket where it's busy, and you want somewhere a bit more laid back, Khao Lak is your place to be. If you've dined at any of these restaurants, by the way, and you want to leave a bit of feedback on it, do leave a comment. It does help people make their selection, knowing how good food is at these places. Hello. I tend to be a creature of habit. I tend to find a place I like and stick to it. Another big food court. Haggling's a skill here. Don't offend them by giving them a low ball price. They're going to take the price they want to pay, so what they think it's worth, they'll sell it to you at. I've had some stupid quotes for stuff I've bought. There's two night markets up at the top here. There's a local one and the official one. The local one tends to be in front of the boxing stadium. You can see it's all lit up on the street with like weird Blackpool style illumination stuff. Last time I was there, I got a wallet for just a couple of quid. It's one of the best wallets I've ever had. Same wallet in the the other night market was about 5 times the price. She wouldn't come down in price. I was thinking of buying 2. And the other night market, I think it was only there once every couple of weeks, so I couldn't buy another one. Infamous Monkey Bar. Oh, I've had a couple of late nights here. It's open now. If you want a mad night, that's where you go for your late night entertainment here. I crawled out of there at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning on a couple of occasions. I will admit, around about 11 o'clock, this place, it just goes to sleep. I think it is so heavily family orientated that most families just go back to the hotel. And that's the evening over. Cocktail 100, beer 70. That'll be a small one, I assume. Soft drink 40. That looks nice. I was here, as I said, low season. That was not open here when I was last here. Let's just avoid this. And when I was here in low season, a lot of these shops were actually closed. A lot of the restaurants were only open a couple of days a week or just a few hours a day. A lot of the hotels were doing renovation work, which completely makes sense. But you are going to get a deal if you do come in low season price-wise. The hotel tends to be half, third of the price they are in high season. So if you're looking for a deal, you can put up with a bit of rain. You put up with the humidity. You don't mind it being a bit quieter. Get yourself a deal in low season, May, June. I've heard plenty of people asking questions about weather-wise that time of year. Stiflingly hot, very, 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 very humid. Yes, it does rain. You are going to get wet. It can rain for a day solid, and other times it's passing shower, or you can be really lucky, get blue skies all day and rain all night. The weather since I've been in Thailand on this trip has been pretty much cloudy. I don't think I've seen the sun for more than 5 minutes. And we're in high season, so even if you're paying your premium and you're coming out in high season, you're not guaranteed the weather. Simland diving. I'm going Rishili Rock day trips. Rishili Rock. 7 in Liverpool with 10 dives on. 3 nights. A lot of the liveaboards tend to be 3 nights, 4 nights, 7 nights, 11 nights. Since I started my YouTube channeling on my last trip in May, June, I've had some real fun. I've had some really good positive feedback off people for the stuff I've been covering, so quite enjoy doing it. Gets me out and about, gets my step count up, and I go around and see stuff I probably wouldn't normally see. So I've decided to invest in a little gimbal. So anyone out there who's been watching my previous stuff and looking at this stuff, and you can see a difference, do let me know in the comments. I've also treated myself to a little clip-on mic as well. The audio might be a little bit better. A little night market here, and you've got all your stalls. Nice. There you go. Get your fruit by weight. It's just lovely to get a punnet of fruit, whatever, and get yourself a couple of yogurts and some cereal, and you can just sit on your balcony in the morning rather than having to go to the restaurant for breakfast. Brew yourself a nice coffee, wake up, and have a little bit of breakfast on your balcony, watching the just chilling while you're waking up. So, perspective-wise, we are now at, is it McDonald's on the other side? If you are partial to a little bit of English traditional food, I'll highly recommend a little bar that's right at the bottom of the strip here. You might have to Google map it so you know where you're going. It's kind of like a little bit of a hidden gem in the middle of a load of what look like empty shops. Walker's Bar, and they do the most amazing home cooked food. Kung Seafood, love the place. They do some fabulous food there. And just opposite is 365 restaurant as well. That was closed last time I was here, so I decided to try Kung's for seafood. Like I said before, I'm a bit of a creature of habit, so I tend to go places where, hello, hello. I tend to go to places that I know. So when somewhere's shut, it forces me to go somewhere different. And I've got to say, I went back there on numerous occasions. We cook it to perfection. If you don't like it too hot, we'll do it mild for you, a lower heat. This little lady does amazing food here as well. We've just sat down here. Just up this road here, you'll find banana bungalows. Right next to Ray Dive Centre. Raya. I don't smoke the stuff myself, but plenty of weed shops here in Khao Lak. We do the gummies as well, if that's your thing. Khao Lak Grand City. Now, I'm actually staying here, I think, after my diving. I booked one night. So I'm in Khao Lak for such a short period of time on this trip. Basically, it's in and out, just coming in, get my diving done and going straight back home again. So just through there, you'll find accommodation with a lovely pool. It's 100% budget accommodation. I'm paying 11 quid a night. So I know you get what you pay for. I'm not expecting much. I have stayed there before. The beds are a bit hard, but I don't mind for 11 quid a night. I can live with that. I'm currently staying in Senor Bungalows, which is just further down where I first started the video one of tonight. This is one of two videos I'm putting together. I'm paying 25 a night. I've got a luxury room with a swim-up pool. So for 25 quid a night in high season, that's pretty good. Hello. I've stayed in loads of hotels, all budgets. Well, I've been in Khao Lak, everything from top end stuff, middle of the road, and budget, depending on what I'm here for, what I'm doing, whether it's a long stay or short stay. My last stay was just over 7 weeks. Stayed in quite a few different places, from private villas with a private pool in the Apsara, to much smaller places. So a bit of a mixed bag. Hello. Nice and busy, thank you. Good food. Good, good. I won't interrupt people eating. Don't you worry. I don't want to walk around where folks are all eating. He's asking me to go inside and film. This place is beautiful inside. I have come for breakfast and lunch here. It's beautiful. Such a nice layout, and really thought about the design of the place. Yeah, again, a little bit pricey, but you get what you pay for again, as I say. And here we are. We've pretty much come to the end of it again now. So this is where I started off video number one of the evening. I'll just walk you over. So we started off here at the View restaurant, which looks absolutely rammed tonight. I don't think there's a free table there. Let's cross over and we'll conclude the video where we started off. Okay, so thank you for watching. As I say, if you do like and subscribe, so if you wouldn't mind to like and subscribe, it does help my channel, boost my little channel, helps it grow. Puts the content out there for people who are looking, and I will catch you on the next one. Okay, and thank you for watching.